Yes, okay. First we QQS the revision of the quadrants short in the short form. These are first four quadrant, first, second, third, and fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, angle lie between 0 to 90. Second quadrant, 90 to 180. Third quadrant, 180 to 270, and fourth quadrant 270 to 360 onwards. The quadrants are always measured anti-clockwise. In first quadrant, all the trigonometrical functions are positive. In second quadrant, sine and its reciprocal. Third quadrant, tan and its reciprocal. And fourth quadrant, cos and its reciprocal. That is A, S, T, C. All sine, tan, cos and their reciprocals. These are the conditions for the trigonometrical function. If the trigonometrical function is in our quadrant is positive, in other quadrant that is negative. Second part, in case of odd multiples of 90 plus minus theta, then we use the co-property. Co-property means अगर उस ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन के आगे को लगा हुआ है तो रिमूव करना है, नहीं लगा हुआ तो ऐड करना है. एंड इन अदर केस एनी मींस even multiple of 90 plus minus theta, then the trigonometrical function will remain same. Sin का sin, cos का cos, tan का tan, sec का sec, cosec का cosec onwards. One thing. Second thing, sin minus theta equals to minus sin theta, because in fourth if theta is an acute angle, fourth theta sin is in fourth quadrant is negative, therefore sin minus theta equals to minus sin theta, and cos minus theta equals to cos theta, and tan minus theta equals to minus tan theta, and their reciprocals also. Yes. So by using this part first, we evaluate the question is, if sin x equals to minus 1 by 2 and (180) less than x less than 270 degree. X is lie between 180 to 270, means it is lie in the third quadrant. The question is find the remaining trigonometric ratios. So first you draw a right triangle, because it is a trigonometric ratio. Sine is the ratio between the perpendicular and hypotenuse. Perpendicular 1k, hypotenuse 2k. Then if we find out its base, this angle is x, so the base equals to root of 4k square minus k square root 3k. So if sin theta is this, so what about cos x? Cos theta equals to base upon, first you check this x is lying which quadrant? Third quadrant. Cos is positive, negative, negative, put the sign negative, and cos theta equals to base upon hypotenuse root 3k upon 2k, that is equals to minus root 3 by 2. Therefore cos x equals to minus root 3 by 2. If you find out the value of tan x, because x is lying third quadrant tan is positive, therefore it is positive, and tan theta equals to perpendicular upon base 1k upon root 3k, that is 1 by root 3. Therefore tan x equals to 1 by root 3. After this we find out the remaining three trigonometric ratios. Sin का रेसिप्रोकल कोसेक, cos का रेसिप्रोकल sec और tan का रेसिप्रोकल cot. उसके अकॉर्डिंग सारा एज इट इज सिंप्लीफाई कर देंगे. इज इट क्लियर? सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है उस ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन का क्वाड्रेंट चेक करना है, वो किस क्वाड्रेंट के अंदर आ रहा है और उस क्वाड्रेंट में वो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन पॉजिटिव है या नेगेटिव। रिगार्डिंग वन मोर क्वेश्चन, if tan theta equals to 3/4 and theta is in fourth quadrant, find the other t ratios, other trigonometric ratios. Solution, it is given that tan theta 3/4, tan theta is the ratio between perpendicular and base. Perpendicular is 3k, base is 4k, this angle is theta, then we find out it is hypotenuse, perpendicular square plus base square 9k square plus 16k square 25k square, hypotenuse is 5k. The second thing, tan theta is in third quadrant, not fourth, third, because in third quadrant tan is positive. Yes. Then we find out sin theta. Sin theta equals to with negative sign, because sin is negative in third quadrant. Sin theta is the ratio between the perpendicular and the hypotenuse, minus 3k/5k. Therefore sin theta equals to minus 3/5. What about cos theta? Cos is again negative in third quadrant, because theta is in third quadrant. Negative base upon hypotenuse minus 4k/5k. Cos theta equals to minus 4/5, and the remaining parts, the reciprocal of cos is sec. So what about sec theta? Minus 5/4. Reciprocal of sin, cosec theta minus 5/3, and tan theta 4/3. Reciprocal of tan is cot. Cot theta 4/3, because cot is also positive in third quadrant. Yes. Similarly, one more questions related to this. Evaluate sin 210 degree into cos 135 degree, tan 300 degree, cot 240 degree, and sec 330 degree. All are the multiples. The question is to find out the value of this trigonometric part. So you first find out the separate values. Sin 210, sin 180 plus 30, sin 2 times of 90 plus 30. 210 is lying third quadrant, sin is negative. Even multiple sin 30, and the value of sin 30 is 1/2, that is minus 1/2. Cos 135, cos 90 plus 30. 135 is lying second quadrant, cos is negative, or odd multiple of 90, cos का sin 30 is again minus 1/2. Tan 300, tan 3 times of 90 plus 30. 300 is lying fourth quadrant, tan is negative. Odd multiple of 90, tan का cot, and cot 30 equals to √3, so minus √3. Next part, cot 240, cot 180 plus 60. 180 means 2 times of 90 plus 60. 240 is lying in the third quadrant. Third quadrant cot is positive. Positive. Even multiple cot 60 or cot 60 की value 1 by root 3. Then the last sec 330. Sec 4 times of 90 minus 30, maybe 360 minus 30. 330 is lying which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant sec is positive. Even multiple sec 30. Sec 30 की वैल्यू sec 30 की वैल्यू 2 by root 3. Because sec is the reciprocal of cos. Cos 30 की वैल्यू root 3 by 2. Sec 30 की 2 by root 3. Putting these values in the question, minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into minus root 3 into 1 by root 3 into 2 by root 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Root 3 cancel by root 3. 1, 2 cancel by 2. 3 times 19. That is 19. 1 upon 2 root 3. Check the calculation. Sorry. Cos 40. This is 45. 45. 1 by root 2. So this 2 cancel. This is 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 6. Okay. Yes. This is the question. First you find out separate values of all the trigonometric function by using the table. Then you substitute it. Similarly, you write down one more question related to this. Simplify. Tan 90 minus theta sec 180 minus theta sin minus theta upon sin 180 plus theta cot 360 minus theta cosec 90 plus theta. इसको इवेल्युएट करना बच्चे, डायरेक्ट ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक के अकॉर्डिंग चेक करते जाएगा. tan 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta is lying first quadrant. In first quadrant tan is positive. It is the odd multiple. tan का हो जाएगा cot theta. sec 180 minus theta is lying second quadrant. In second quadrant sec is negative और 180 2 times of 90 so sec minus sec theta because 180 minus theta is in second quadrant. Second quadrant में sec negative होता है negative और even multiple है 2 times of 90 तो sec का sec sin minus theta equals to minus sin theta. Sin minus theta equals to minus sin theta. Similarly in the denominator sin 180 plus theta is lying in which quadrant? Third. In third quadrant sin is negative. Negative 180 2 times of 90 तो sin का sin theta. Cot 360 minus theta fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cot is negative और cot even multiple है तो cot का cot theta. Cosec 90 plus theta second quadrant cosec is positive and cosec का 90 1 times of 90 sec theta. बच्चे ये cot थीटा से cot थीटा कैंसिल हो गया, ये sec थीटा से sec थीटा कैंसिल हो गया, sin थीटा से sin थीटा कैंसिल हो गया. 2 negative in the numerator and 2 negative in the denominator. The answer is 1. यस। इसके बाद एक असाइनमेंट सेंड करूंगा बच्चे, वो क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करना।